In JavaScript, both null and undefined represent absence of value, but using them interchangeably is one of the most common beginner mistakes. Let's break down what makes them different. Undefined is JavaScript's way of saying a variable has been declared but hasn't been assigned a value yet. When you create a variable without initializing it, JavaScript automatically gives it the value undefined. Function parameters that aren't passed also default to undefined. It's the language's default emptiness. Null, on the other hand, is intentional. You assign null to a variable when you explicitly want to say this has no value. It's a programmer's choice, not JavaScript's default. Think of null as a deliberate reset button, often used to clear object references or indicate missing data. Here's where it gets weird. When you use typeof, undefined returns the string undefined, which makes sense. But typeof null returns object. A famous JavaScript bug that's now permanent for backward compatibility. Don't let this confuse you. Null is not an object. Both null and undefined are falsy values, meaning they evaluate to false in Boolean contexts, like if statements. They're also loosely equal using double equals. Null double equals undefined returns true. But with strict equality using triple equals, they're different. Null triple equals undefined is false because they're distinct types. Remember, undefined means JavaScript hasn't assigned a value yet. Null means you intentionally set it to nothing. Master this distinction and you'll avoid a ton of debugging headaches. Now go practice. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.